affect me.
Affect you how? And then
I don't like how you smell me always, I tell you.
So I'm for the OT, because I don't dash away though.
OT then.
So I'm going, because I want to get free. Can't come on your yard more often. Because I get free, like I say, your mother just auntie you. I can't, you not get no space.
No, so my mother says she just clingy because she love me. That's all.
I know that, but I don't like coming here and your mother did, you know.
Why?
I don't like a bone in another Rasta woman there.
Why if you not like my mother?
Every time I come there, she always give me some bad energy and some looks. So me
Don't say that my mother like you. Don't say that.
How
My
you
mother never like you. She know why you come in she yard. I know my mother. My mother love you. She always a talk good boy you. And you just don't like my mother. I don't like that. Because me and no man can and they don't like my mother. That don't make no sense.
Me never tell her say
But you do not like my mother, you don't like me.
Me never tell her say me hate her, no. Just tell her say me not like her.
Do the same thing. If you don't like her, hate her, what you could have do then?
Me love her.
You love her, you chat about her.
I don't really said that just because I have more time if you can come.
My mother come. Just look at this way for now. Hi,
Morning,
mommy.
baby. All right?
You mean alright, you?
Yeah, man. Give thanks. May I walk up to Maggie and go check her?
Every day you go for Maggie, man.
Well, I have to make sure she all right, man.
So you're not to come check for me.
Yeah, check for you now. Wait, give a minute there.
Alright.
Whitney, it look like saying you not pay attention. You still a talk to that dry foot, chigger foot boy.
Mommy, just spin off your foolishness, mommy. You keep on disrespect my boyfriend. You love you, you know. You respect you, everything. So why you keep on and do this?
How him a respect me and him there with my daughter? And I walk with him battery out the door. Eh? A man him a call?
Mommy, I say he new generation. Eh?
No,
Mommy,
man.
He all generation a big pants on this. Them a young boy nowadays, they now go weird and same thing. They come like an old man and want me go there with old man with them pants big off and
Respectable man that at a boy.
so old man and want me go there with?
Me never
Mommy,
say
your
old.
age?
Me never, you could never. Me never say that. But go with a man that a man too. Eh?
Mommy love him. And I'm a man. Me
Love him, love him, love him. God bring to sacrifice, God forbid. You know, see the dirty eye on the back of his neck. He must show off, say him is one of them. One of them good woman.
I don't know why on the parents taste. And I feel like say, Mommy, if you're happy for me, not happy for me, none at all.
Me happy for when you do good, man. You want to see good happen
So
for
me
you.
not do good now.
No, man. Look how you do good in a school.
Mommy.
You come out with your letters and your numbers and thing.
Mommy.
And then you go pick up this old cruft boy.
Mommy, listen. Remember so when time and daddy did that, right? Your mother never approved of that hour. You still go breed for him.
That different.
How different?
That different.
I
Come
see
me
him
get
thing,
the
I don't
blessing
like
that
him.
name you.
Yeah, but I see me, you get up. You mean that?
Me no want. That
Don't do your foolishness,
baby love. If you gonna have fun with him, you don't have fun and done already. But no.
Mommy, me love you. But I'm my man. I love my man. I'm not gonna leave my man for nobody.
Brittany,
You understand me?
Brittany.
Mommy, do you understand me?
Brittany.
I'm asking you, do you
I
understand
understand
me?
you, but
Okay.
understand this. Show me your company and I tell you who you are.
See my company behind
You're there with a bad woman.
Babe,
Huh?
you come.
Me a come. Just give me a sec, babe. Me a come. Mommy,
That's a respect. Me I talk to you and him I call you where.
Mommy, just come say hi, man. Say hi to my man. Where you going,
No.
so?
Me not a hypocrite, you know. Me no wear two face on the one heart. So,
Mama, go on here.
later.
So when me do
Mother,
that
some
talk
fi tell
about-
her hi.
No, can't tell a lie for your mother.
Me not tell no lie. She say me fi tell her hi.
You see why me chat early on about your mother? Me no like her.
Mama, mother said me fi tell her hi and she
You see
like
that
you.
big stadium bulb looking here,
Oi,
Brent
oi,
a Rasta
oi.
dread woman there.
Oh,
She never have no good to say about me. And that's why me no like her.
Me no talk about my mother. Mother that, you know? And my mother that. And she push me out. How if you come at the stadium but Rasta ugly, you can't do that. Babe, me love you, but you can't talk about mother
So
so.
why your mother talk about me and sacri... Me cut me ears and did all this, you know.
I never you she did that talk about.
I never me.
I never you. She talk about her Or other, she niece.
Oh, you
She
need to have a hider in it back.
No, niece, man.
Oh.
I mean, I asked her, so wait, the money of my niece and me have the same, man. And she said, no, man.
Oh.
You have a fear boyfriend of yeah in it back too.
Call me a idiot. Me look like a fool.
No.
Me ears clean, you know. A half dozen hairpin in my jaw right now. A 50 Q-tick in my bathroom.
Come and tell us my mother like you keep on and say this and I say that. Me can't bother for the back and forth thing.
That the woman they could never like me beyond the chat so much something about me.
The woman not chat nothing about you.
You go always
You're over
the
here
other side.
foolishness.
You see it one, you know.
Me can't go over here.
That time you can't go on over. You soon come, I go for road. This Rasta looking rent a check. Old lady. You go on and go and tell me take something liquor, don't you know? Oh God, Miss Charmian.
What?
Welcome.
Why? Me have to give thanks for life, but
Amen to that. That is one of the best things I ever hear from morning. Everybody when me ask wagwan, oh God, they have no money and this and that. Tired when me walk, beg, everybody a beg. Everybody have to beg something.
everybody in the same boat.
Look for, and only that you know, storm pass. Me understand, say.
Mash up everybody.
It mash up everybody and mash up the country. But we make ourselves look like we're poverty, yes. But we make ourselves more than poverty. We come like we put the deep on the poverty. Because of that, Sister Bev now. Me go down a Sister Bev now. And only one zinc off a Sister Bev roof lift up in her.
She lucky, my house
One
gone upside
zinc.
down.
One zinc and the zinc in the yard. And I say, Sister Bev, get me 2 nail or 4 nail and knock it back on for you. Sister Bev say my way back government to come check in house because he want new supplies and
You
stuff.
can't wait for them, the dirty people name government.
No, but you not only that. Me try show you
You
something.
have to try for yourself, man.
You see, if you know say our look major damage, you work on yourself. One thing, why sense?
It's small.
Look
small,
what
you
people
get
in our
there.
house.
That's true.
And the thing is, the government don't get the money and then sit down on it.
Yeah, man.
And then I issue it out. Wish me can bad them up and say give me hit cause me never mine
You never
never
see the light of day again.
no, me don't talk about the light of day. Mine never put on party say give Papa this. Right? Some of the business with that, they come
You're
never.
no friend.
I me never vote. Some of the business with him, me left it to who vote. And who not vote, me say I cause I'm Prime Minister.
If you get cursed, but still.
When if you don't have a vote in the country, you shall not cost the MP. That's the Prime Minister.
Everybody have a right for them speech, Papa.
No!
Everybody have a right for them speech. Can you not see say number 7 I'll cheat. And number 7 me call him, you know?
No, you hear what me
Him
say?
get 7
You not
votes,
understand-
next man get 300 and not vote and him still win. And number 7 that, so when you vote
No.
it no count.
You don't understand what me I try to say. If you do not vote in the country, you don't have no rights in the country. Or when you're Jamaican, you don't understand what me I try to say.
Never.
Only if you have pay tax in the country, you have rights to speak. 2 things.
No, them are right.
Vote and tax. If you not do no other side and do that, you don't have no rights. Me not vote, but me have pay tax. And me still have rights. I mean, of course, because guess what? If me if you wait for government to come fix my little one cutter, that never fix.
Never.
Me make sure me walk around, and me take a piece of board, and me catch up back something. God don't bless me.
Yeah, man.
We go have a house. The only thing that advise people say, if you can run from the island, you run.
Run which part? Nowhere nice like here. Me not go nowhere. Me not wrong people who go and try. Good luck to them. Right here now, see banana ya. See bango ya. Me hungry, my belly a ball. Me can just go so. Me go foreign. Hey, gunshot liquor. Me not left my sweet
Yeah,
Jamaica.
until if you go to America, you know. You can go Panama. You can go St. Vince.
Me will visit, but me not live nowhere else but here, so this is my
You
yard.
still not hear me I say you can stay at Bahamas. Bahamas, you can go there, but you have to make sure you straighten out your paper them. And not everywhere is the same.
That
Me
good
know
for
say
them.
Jamaica nice, yes, because we can chop look wire up on the post and this and that, and we can dig look hole and get water, but you can't think for that. You cannot think about that. You have to think about your life. So what happened to you now? With that more, me come off a government because they well alright.
Yeah, man.
Them eat turkey gone over there. Me no eat none. You know what me eat? Chicken back turkey. I feel me turkey that chicken
You
back.
get the back and me get the foot.
No, I best part that you eat. It's better than the back. Because me don't know if a chicken back. Because guess what? Chicken back and make oil. And if you buy the chicken at shop and you cut the back and put it in the pot, you know, make oil. So
Hey.
where the back side, that the chicken back.
I love chicken.
You know, don't want to talk. Anyway, talk.
Come in like say little dry foot boy. And that I put my head down. My daughter, Brittany, she's a bright girl, you know. And she just pissed me off a minute ago, man. Walk past she and the dry foot, yaga. Obi a man boy. With him trousers down here so. And him foot out he ugly.
That's how.
You know, see the dirty one with the mark on the back of his neck.
Timmy.
I must say that insane name like Puss.
Then, me can't tell you that who fi there with. Because it's the one saying I love, you stay in love. But I thought them dirty football didn't take up.
Not even know how to put on in
He
clothes.
couldn't take up. She could, and she had them their education there.
And love make you fool nor hell.
I thought you did fool too.
So she will learn from my mistakes.
She couldn't know because she was younger. You was older. She never know. I could tell the story. I could tell her the story. Say, your mother used to walk a mile just to a man. Just because.
Shut up your mouth and stop add on and take off. You know,
You
chat
check
for
me.
your story, so. You know, chat for your story,
Me
so.
remember
When
everything.
your woman Mavis come box you from off a bridge and run you down, all with the dirty drawers in her hand and I whip you. You know, chat for. Remember, so the two are born and growing in the lane, you know.
Yeah,
So
but
just like how you have
but
story
fear
for me, me
worse.
have story for you.
Fear worse because you do me a thing. You trick me and tell me, say, yeah, you go collect money. I mean, you know, like a jackass. I walk. Me whole of me marine and the shirt of me in a soak and my shoes and my pants wet. And when me reach a man yard you go catch a man with two women and I can tell me if he help you hold one of the girl them.
And you
With
see
a
if you didn't
brighter-
help me, you see if you didn't ever help me, you'd have get through. But you never help me.
If you never know your box, me did not box it down.
Back so.
If you walk so damn far and they never punch
But you never walk so far too. You never walk so far
And the
too.
worst part of it, the only driving at the yard, where if you carry me back on my yard, you punch the man.
Then I must pick up next woman
Yeah,
and me
you
I
like
put
one.
petrol in the
Leave
car.
the girl alone, cause
Sure.
like mama like daughter.
Sense, man.
Because I don't understand. The one
You're
week.
full of sense, you're full of nonsense.
Oh God.
Girl, walk on. You there? You said, girl, your name Stinker Road, girl. Boa. And about your man? My man. Yeah, everybody grudge your girl. They grudge over your good body, man. Your cute, nice, tall man. That's what they give the money. They grudge over your man. They were talking about you, them scammer man and Ray and Tate and what bad things and Ray. Bad man, they girl. Don't let them man.
Listen to me now. Hey, let me know so what them bad man me. And my mother, she there top of her list. Cause my mother want me to left my man. Me know
You
my
bad
mother.
man, yo.
Oh, my mother a long time whore.
Right.
You see, if me go left my man, you see my mother. You know the man
And
is.
take up the
As
man.
long as she about, oh, the man pants on him back to them, so like, come on, him a try chow, and this and that, and this and that. As she want the man. Me not ask
But
you.
listen
Me
to
know
me,
my
girl.
mother, you know.
Listen to me.
Don't fear me. Man shopper, you are want me man to in a Kayla.
What?
Me just say, me not say you want it, but man shopper want him too.
No, girl. Is there ever one thing me know? Me don't want to hear my body man. And you're a man that me and your friend, me don't want your man. Me can't want your man and I tell us if me do say me don't want your man. But I like the people who are there that tell us if the dirty boy, the boy not good for me, I say the boy good for you. Do not left him.
Me not
Stick
left my
with
man,
him.
and my man that's right to the end.
Ride or die.
that's what
Don't
I
left him. And when I
say.
get the money, you give me some of the money too.
Oh, so maybe take my friend pension and man you. You're crazy. You lick your head.
See if you can out if you man give money, man. and
No,
get-
girl. Even if me not skin out, that's still my friend pension. Me can't take my friend pension my next girl. You don't have man where you get pension.
I must not a man yet.
You know no man?
No.
Well, I don't know what you're going to do because we can't help
Well,
you.
it no matter what, no worry yourself, girl. Me I come up, but as I said before, you know. No left the boy.
When I left the boy first,
Stick with the boy.
I'm going to stick
The
with
bad man, all your mother, she at the top of the list. She bad man all the way.
Listen,
Right?
let me talk about my mother, bad man. You not talk about you, yeah? And my mother, not yours. Let me talk about you.
Alright.
When you talk about me, feel that way. But when me talk about you, me feel good.
Alright.
You understand? Big up yourself, yeah, good
Big up
eyes.
yourself.
Alright, buddy.
Me don't know make your mother not like you. How do you know make your mother not like you?
So you never question her, you never ask her.
Me never question on the details. All me know say, haul up your pants, pan your backside. You can't wear on your waist. You can't cover tattoo. Call the tattoo in your neck back. Me at them at nice with the talk about how you put it there. Cause them at the mark of the beast. You can't haul up your clothes pan you.
Really don't want to lose a girl, eh?
You really don't want to lose a girl. Listen to me. Ain't you ever mash up your TB? For me and for your relationship done.
How if you mash up it? So if you mash up, how me gonna get the money?
Okay, and me want the money. So you continue to talk to her. All of her clothes for you. And when you see the mother, you act nice and wave. Just have to get the money, everything now. You can diss the mama. Come with this the mama too. And any of her mash up the TV. As a thump right there, so. Me say, yeah. And remember, say, me make you go and knock it. So you not get no front car shop a lot. Shop close off. So make sure you make it. It's like you mash up the last one with Becky. Nobody with me.
But this is a shop I used to go to buy there.
This is a shop you lock. You have the one there now. Working money. Can we just pass her on the road?
Working money.
Yes.
Believe in them, because working money. Just have faith in them. Where you say? Home.
Yes. How be upon your man? I'm going to tattoo. You can't go to tattoo. Cheese and beans. When I see, yes, and I see mother, you see, Miss, hello, hi, call to the mother. Because mother will fight you out of the business. Because Britain have much sense.
True, that's true. So, me look appropriate for you.
You're right.
Alright.
That would have to your body, man.
So, anytime I see mother, so me flip. And the mother will love me.
Yes, you think so.
Alright.
We are going to go by, we are going to go in the bathroom.
Alright. Go all pants. You feel me, old man? Mother, if you like it or not. Pants.
Babe, every time me I buy a rum or craving you doing something there. And matter of fact, different from them day, me I was like, give you money. What you do with the money?
Me I save, no save, we are save. Remember, say we soon get married. So me I put on the money them little.
See ever? You don't have, you don't have a bank account or nothing?
No, me I save under my mattress.
But me turn over the mattresses this morning to put on one new sheet pan it, and me not see no money underneath there.
Me don't know, probably rat then gone already.
What?
No, you remember say we have some big rat in our house, you know, big way. Them are bad away. So probably then go on there mattress to see money them and jar them out one.
Sometimes I feel like you use me.
No man, these users are not found. We don't use people, girl people, maybe I want to from the road. You know.
But be from me know you never work yet. I don't know if you have no skills, if I know if you never do nothing yet. Every clothes we have and me buy, every slippers and me buy.
You have skills.
Every food we eat, every smoke, every drink I mean.
So this for me I do know, this is a skill.
And you see me on my face, see.
Mommy, hi.
Afternoon auntie.
What, mommy?
No better afternoon, Anthony. Keep it. Save your breath. No, sir. Me not like. You still there with him? You still a move with him?
I'm gonna see my boyfriend and me love him.
Where love her go? Where love her go?
What do you mean by it?
Since you don't want me to say nothing, I'm here to talk to you and ignore the nothing. Young man, what is your intentions towards my daughter?
Love your daughter auntie and if you go and
See,
so.
you love me, mommy.
How long we are linked for? How long we in our relationship? Months now.
Eh?
Yes.
So what you bring to the table? My daughter have brains normally. What you bring to the table?
Me have heads normally. She have brains and me have head.
Me not attack the little head, you know. What your big head can bring to her and put it in my daughter's life and improve my daughter's life.
What do you mean by it? This is my boyfriend.
Love. peace, unity, sex.
Hey, let me tell you something here and now, little boy.
Mommy, listen, just calm down.
Me now calm down. Come here, talk to you. It look like Satan going there, so come out there,
listen,
so.
mommy, just calm down, auntie. You know if you go on.
Me I know your auntie, and me I know your mama.
Sorry.
Here, my name's Charmaine, and to you is Miss Charmaine, or Mrs. Lowbridge.
Look,
Okay.
Mommy, just please. You can't be happy for me if you want.
Happy for what?
So me find out a good man.
No, sir. When you find a good man, I will be happy.
But we are trying to say he no good.
Me not try, me I say.
He may not good to you, but he good to me.
Kuya. You know, see the big old dirty eye on the back of him. You know what that mean?
Mommy.
And you see the eye in a triangle. A Buddha woman, look at all the decals, I'm afraid to touch it. A Buddha woman, you want to know?
Mommy, it's just a tattoo. Me have a tattoo also.
You know how the Buddha was tattoo there. A Buddha was that. And I'm all show off with it.
Glad you don't touch your chain, because if you touch it, you would have turned in a puss.
Hey, I want you call me young boy.
No. So me just have to say, because I know everybody can touch this still, you know.
Yeah, hear him? I'm out it, say my Buddha woman.
Mommy no mean me. I just saying stay. That's how you run joke.
Run joke. Me not like a bone in your body, you know. And next thing you talk about love and sex. It's any day name they me know my daughter is a big woman. Any day me know say you and she go so. A morning after pill. A dirty nail me and make she drink. Cause you can't come into my family. True word. You can't come into my family. And nothing for you to come into my family. You hear me?
Mommy, goodbye. Later. We can't have
You
this
see when
conversation
you find your senses, my daughter, me love you. But when you find your senses, you can come talk to me.
You know, your mother love bad lamp against me, you know.
Just calm down.
She better save all of them bad lamp the way she a born friend current gone. B, you know, say from when I want to talk to you about something.
Wow.
You know, like how your mother treat me, you know.
Every day company same topic about mother this, mother that. You can't talk about me and you. You come like a mother in a relationship for. No business how she want to I don't feel a relationship. I feel with.
But me still not feel comfortable with her.
I know she there with me. So if I don't like her, I just don't go in a she way and she not come in your way. That's it.
Man, they hate me, you know.
Stop that boy. The lady do not hate you. She not hate you, may I tell you. See my mother want piece of Obia worker and she did hate you, she work up for a long time.
Oh.
I Obia turn her down saying no. My mother didn't have money. I can't work for too much people. I just tell her this, you understand? Can I work for too much people? It just backfire upon her. You understand? So you just have to understand, so I just such this way. She love chat.
That me realize, but me not like what she a talk about me.
Just calm down.
Yes, she fit talk about your dirty cruff.
How are these?
They can't see the girl within 12 subjects and I spoil up the girl's future.
You know what I mean?
Dirty dog like a joke.
Aha, for true.
Eh?
Hoi, man, you talk about man here. Man, oh, you are talk about my man.
It's a dirty cruff you pick up.
Don't worry about
No
my
man
dirty
right.
cup.
Look at a good man like
Look
a me.
look you come like anything but be a fit for 2 days now. What me I do with you? Man, you can't talk. It's not from me look for me no say you can't talk long for front. That will be 1 minute, much less 30
Baby,
seconds.
who first come win? Me tell you that.
Remember
I
who
race
first
with
come
everyone
win?
in a bedroom. Who first come win? If me and you and me are 12 subjects, instead of me turn up with some dirty, nasty thinking road runner,
Look for my nice
me
cream
would have
and you.
go in a parliament and start thief poor people because that parliament means, you know, thief poor people.
Thief poor people.
Everybody
that
will-
means they would have rob you then. Say would I like that? Would you like that?
I mean, I can't put girl.
Because you poor, we are called girl.
You might have a little
Who
12
you they
subject
call
then.
girl?
I told your mama no push you out properly, make it on
No
handicap.
complaint for me. Who thought out of me and you? Who are the one? Who handicap? Who are handicapped, sir? Babe, you say man deal with me, I stand up. You can't defend me. Not true.
How they hear about it thirsty?
You mean bad for coupon you?
Eh?
You want
I am going to
trim.
try this.
You want line up and I see that. Your face want straight, your face want rearrange. You
Look at-
don't see that.
Look at your man.
What me I do with you?
Look at your man and look at me.
It's a big difference. My man look good at you don't look
Look
good.
at me good. Me a magla.
Madla shit.
Me a magla.
For how long that?
Good
How long
body.
that? Because you
Good
not-
body this.
Good
Me a
body wear.
magla. Eh? Look at the chicken back where you take up.
Your table look good, much less smell
Out of
good.
all the man them in the world, girl. At this a man you take up, you know your mother
Yes,
don't
I'm my
like.
man this. Oh, it's a mother me alifa. Am I mother me alifa?
Mothers know best.
Mothers know best where. When mother they
don't
are
argue
walk
with
up
the man
upon
now,
people
deep.
and this and that. Where were you?
Oh, you better
argue with him.
I must back style of portion my mother give you to come take it for me. Don't do it, sir. All and pack down and I look good. I'm with you. Good girl like me or the off cup something like you.
If it is good, you know, take up something like this.
What do you mean by take up something like this? Don't try disrespect my man, no, sir. Don't try disrespect my man. Don't do that. Don't do it.
I touch me, dirty girl.
Yes, dirty man. I touch you.
Touch me.
Where you go?
Touch me again.
See me touch you again.
I touch me.
Defend.
Touch me again.
See me touch you again. The defend.
Girl, touch me. Touch me again. God,
God what?
perish the hand of Stefan, God. Make you feel judgment, God. Look for the elder like a big God, chuck that.
Move, come out of my face. Move. Me not like you. Kuya. Yes, baby, laugh. Me love that. Me love see smile from man face, you know. Me love see smile from my man face. I'm trying to get it back, you know. Oh, lick up.
No,
Let me learn and lick him.
In good now.
You good now? Alright.
In good now.
Anything I say, Allah.
In good now.
Anything my man say, Allah.
Everything. How you deal with him, you know?
Who is you? You know?
Run him away.
Alright, me if you ask you, me beat a man in you and night. Tell you.
Oh, saying all the yam head. You're the whole fucking farm.
The whole farm! In case I never know.
Eh?
The whole farm. The whole farm.
Yam head.
Me a yam head, dashing head, cocoa head. New name it. Name it, no man.
Any day. This nigga, I where you want to call him. Dirty foot boy.
Don't pay for man like
Put
that.
you on the ground
Put me
and your
on the ground.
mama can go ask me for your
I
dollar.
only put my man put on the ground and me up one side. So what you talk about? What you talk about? Come on, man. Go on with your business. Go on.
Remember say you touch me, you know.
You want me to do it again?
I'm here go.
You want me to do it again? We pop your shoulder. Go on.
And you do it again.
And we can do it again.
And you do
This
it
time,
again.
this time I'm putting my
I'm
foot on your face.
going to pray. I'm going to pray and I'm going to pray and I'm going to pray. I'm going to pray. God, send a judgment for your backside. You,
And so I go turn around for you like I turn around for me.
you touch me. Remember, I said to you, dirty boy.
Dirty man. Hey.
Hey, me like how you deal with him, you know?
Yeah, if you defend me, man.
What you mean?
Dirty, nasty, stinking man. Bright. He crying now off your bug. Shit house. Come on here, babe. Come on. The best thing for shit here.
Have you seen me now with this? How do you? Alright, up here, run you down.
No, I'm glad to see you.
Eh?
I'm glad to see you.
Somebody glad for
Your
me.
dirty, workless son-in-law and your daughter.
Don't call him no son-in-law. Me not no son-in-law.
Then I
You could
will.
never call him my baby girl. What this and
You
that.
know, say your daughter. Go look at that old man like me and choke me much time. I'm here actually, me think me older than you, much less. And come choke me. Old man like me and that pissing tail girl when me changing diaper much time.
So what like?
Come choke me. Me will always buy the pampers them give when him pooper. No Avi. Me will help you pay for your subject. Make she get the 12 subject.
Hi.
She
Nobody
can't choke
gone
me.
too far, but we pay for subject.
Eh?
What you do to her, make she do that. Cause my daughter would never just see you and
Me a cuss her about the dirty foot boy. She all tell me say yeah walk home here. Eh?
and now me know a lie you tell.
And that wouldn't no matter. You see when time somebody tell us something on a picnic say, Uno believe the people more than what people
see,
say.
when the source is right, then we will look into it.
She say you pick love bush and throw it on tree for me. That's what you do. You dey try to shot me.
Hey,
Yeah,
what
try
a
to
bangarang.
Me and your
Papa,
friend, me don't want you. You don't know that.
What you really think say you could have the me want? Eh?
Me don't know. Ask
No,
that.
so me no know neither. Me
say,
no
me
waste
tell you
time
now,
on that.
Me and your friend, you know. But me a go down on my knee when they go up. And me a pray, me a ask God for rad your sister, your daughter.
Aye, know what you do when you come to my picnic now?
Me say,
know what you do when you come
when
to me and my
go down on my
picnic
knee, me a
Better
take
you rather sugar foot,
me a put the
boy.
Bible down so open up. And me a read the Psalms. And me a drop my tears right in the Bible. And me a read the Psalms.
Okay.
Me a like eat one of the Bible leaf. And me a ball and me a roll and ball. And me a go down. Me go down and check my mother and the ancestor them down at the graveyard. And me carry the Bible go down and me a ball and me a say, Mommy, then this your son, Mommy, then chuck your son, Mommy, rise and punish them.
Oh God. I remember one thing. I same say your point, and I got point for my daughter. The one you send out to my daughter, you send 3 back to yourself.
You don't say you're blind.
Are you one?
Yeah.
Are you one? It's a gully. Try touch. Me no business with that chicken foot.
This dirty boy no want your
Me no
daughter.
business with him. Me I try
Are you
tell her
bad?
that for a long time. Me I try tell her to come to her senses that they go cross his Budowa boy.
All the money where you
Me know.
dirty baby father dead left. You're picking her name. What a workless man. You push out, feel the pain and push out and he left everything give.
Better you leave it from a baby than
At
somebody
you go
else.
cheat on the man with the Chinese man.
Yeah.
You could have keep your foot locked.
And you wonder why people don't believe you when you chat people business.
I was working there.
Okay.
And me hear you and the Chinese man over the room and the Chinese man about and me take a phone the man the pan. And me pop round there. Oh, Mr. Jesus, please. I hold the man up on back shot. And when me look, and you
know what your problem is? You're too damn jealous and you don't like see people have nothing. Eh?
I'll come in there and walk on me a bigger piece. And chew me now.
Oh, you didn't want me though. You just, you're fat tongue lizard, you know.
No,
you're fat
me
tongue
did a big
lizard.
piece. Me honestly
a
did a big piece.
And show me
How they
say,
work
look,
as
me
a
have
worker.
style.
Me did a big piece. But you can't give me Mr. Chin. And Mr.
God,
Chin wife
Papa.
find out and put you out. Left me when I walk there.
Me want a man who can tamper it.
It's a good thing that Miss Chin say, yo, me want back revenge for my husband. I put Miss Chin pan a piece of lizard lap and then me lift him up in the air so and chop him down.
Oh God, and that's
Miss Chin say,
10
yes.
seconds. Me hear about your papa.
Yeah.
That's why me not say
I could
yes.
have 1 second at least me feel how one China woman feel and they say yes, me they are China, you know. But only thing unfortunately me never get the green card.
She a Chinese and me a black woman. It take more than 10 seconds to satisfy me. Me no want no man that me can broke him back. So a little more.
So look at Mr. Chin, we didn't look how statues.
Mr. Chin, have something for putting at the sausage tin, you know nothing. Try. Come here. Try.
Your body favor wire.
Do you know something like how you defend while ago?
You must defend the
Like
man.
when I choke him man, and he said choke me again and you choke him again.
So we like a perfect couple, like a wonderful couple.
That's right.
Yeah, man.
Your girl, Mr. Girl, the one who said just a while ago, I said, defend me, man.
Eh,
Because my mother did have one friend. One little man, when you're papai. And the mouth twist and gone back, so. I'll chat about if you left my man, I come to him.
Right.
Because my man, I dirty foot and this and that and one bag of
bad man ain't bad man, your girl.
I'm telling you, bad man in the ear everywhere.
Mm-hmm. And what you do?
Never chuck up him, man.
Right.
Chuck him out.
Long time you don't say you're a bad girl.
Chuck me again. Me chuck him again. Chuck me again. Me chuck him again. Me say,
Right.
girl, I'm the
Uncle.
situation.
So introduce me to your man.
Oh, babe, this is Kayla, my friend. Kayla, this
Hi,
is
babe.
Nice.
Oh no, babe, I
Nice
mean
to meet
by babe.
You said this is babe. You never said this is whatsoever, what's not. You said this is babe.
Oh, TV.
Oh, nice to meet you, Tibi.
Yeah.
My man.
And your man say, oh man, you look handsome. And now me see why them bad mind your girl.
Girl ain't
Oh, man.
supposed to bad mind me.
Well,
Not always.
Let me talk to him for a moment.
No work hard panic, I'm gonna lick your door. And I'll give my bad style. I want nobody to talk so long.
No, I'm a...
Oh, you know, say analyze a man and threaten him. Come and say, hey, you broke your heart.
Yeah.
Me will pop him in the head.
That thing.
Yeah. Pop him in the head.
Hear that?
Right. Because it's just like how she mad, and so me mad too. So do not what you're not supposed to do, you will see, boy.
Right.
You will see. No take a look at them and go on and go make a relationship.
Go and look up food. Date or something.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, later.
Alright. Come on, baby. Then go on, Taylor.
Me a go while you not go on.
Yeah, go on, if you go on.
Hey, you, come here.
Come
Come here.
No, you calm, so what's the problem?
You see the game where you and that brown boy I play?
Which game?
I told me that no, him a who to you yet.
Oh.
The brown dirty football in the area.
No, bro, not the football, I don't know here. I don't know where you talk, but what's the problem?
The one where they were charming, ungrateful, yam head, cocoa head, dashy, the whole field.
Oh, my daughter, I'm a friend you talk about?
Yes, she's your
My
one.
sexy friend Brittany.
Yes.
Actually, you can't get the girl, make you bash the girl name, so. And that would all ugly man. Well, anytime you can't get nobody, have some stone and bash them. But then I with you.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I told me now look at you.
Me don't want you.
Just feel a lampshade. The old days lampshade. Me never look at you.
And if you have a monkey, you will get you out of that zoo.
I'm proud to be a monkey.
Yeah, but
guess what? I eat
and that with uno dirty man. And that with uno dirty man. That don't know. If you can't get nobody, I shouldn't go like uno want this them. Me no business. Me not my type. A bad rich man me want. Me not a broke pocket old boy. Me wear dirty crocs. You know me man that's supposed in this type of shoes. You're bright. We all broke down self.
Me I try this. Let me show you something.
Who tried it? Whoever show me. Me not try this. I'm just telling you the truth, and it's the truth.
That's money. I got money.
That is not money.
Show me $100.
Don't walk with $100 for me. Me a hot girl. Me don't walk with $100.
Show me $1,000.
Me don't walk with $1,000. Me a hot girl. Me no money for me right now.
Show me $5,000.
Yeah, then when me say me no walk with no money for me, me no money for me, because me no man like I wanna beg me.
Oh, you're a hot girl. Let me show you something.
What you wanna show you for? Let me show you something. You can't take money and catch me. You can't use money and catch me, dirty boy. You know no money. If you have money, you buy better clothes and buy better shoes. If you have money, you come and take me and disrespect my friend. But what kind of game me brown boy play? What kind of game me and my friend man for play? What kind of game?
Any game we not play. Me I pray for you.
Pray for yourself.
Me I pray for you backfire in the name of Jesus.
No call God name in your mouth.
Because
and people like on the in that church and say amen, hallelujah, Jesus this and Jesus that, and say that on the bad thing.
Uno young girl mash up the country can no one go look.
And uno old man mash up the country can enough up in the people business too much. Leave people business are wrong of mine your own.
Uno make gonna look in front, one half in front.
Uno make gonna look out on the app in front and no deceive uno.
Just open up your mouth and say eh. Just open up it. Make her put the plank down your throat. You know who you talk to, girl? Me could have lick one, but me could have lick you. Me can't lick you now. You're so bright. You ever look at the mosquito, the big mosquito them? Your face favor it. How rearrange your face and make your face look like the gorilla them? Cause the gorilla them cuter than you. How that deal with a monkey instead of something like a you? Go on. Your favor squid. Go on. Mosquito go on. Red ants go on. And red ants party bigger than you. If you want that guy come there, you know damn right. Any game you now play on the go, watch. I'm going 10 step on.
Me, you see the plan how we make up? We have one good. So tall little dirty boy pan him road. I must see me and Papa, I go dig up in file while I go kind this me pan around, I go dig up in file. If I see me next time, I go this him boy, I find out about him. He come like saying you know with business. So me and I tell nobody, you know, and me and you plan it, and me and you plan it together in the house. And I'm not supposed to, because me and you plan it, and I'm a chat about up on the road. Make sure you know go pan with tell people, you know. Make sure you know go pan with and lab off your mouth. Anytime you drink rum, you then lab off your mouth. You talk too much in the drink.
Do that.
You better not do it. Because anyhow Brittany ever find out, say, me and you plan up to take away little money from him. Me all left you. I mean, I go analyze you because I make my best friend find out that me and Brittany are best friend for a long time, but he have too much money and he have too much education and me not have done, so me want the money, so you're going to take it from him.
They're close.
Work faster, man, because I like you not spend too much time together about the damn dinner. And you not come go party dinner, but you want a big girl go party dinner. Remember, I tell them, make sure say when you do it, no time long panic. stand 2 minutes all of me like shop. Just stand 2 if I was pushing and take it back out. No stand too long.
B.
Come in that.
The one more there and the first one. I said to him when you tell me I do. Remember say you are guide me, you know.
I used to me man, you see that them say Britain in your too bad, you know. He kinda coward. Bad him up sometime and see if I can get more money and give me. Bad him up and go through the process quicker. Hurry him up. Tell him say if you tell him say anyone no give him no get no money and then I get the money, don't let him. Tell say I'm hard failure. Tell say something do you.
Not true. Something one doctor.
The hair is collect one big piece of food, but you take too long. Me wait too long for the little jump chairs money. Every day me so me heart is kill me so. Come and look for me good man I walk on the road with my best friend.
I trick him to come over and see if we can get one big.
Yeah man.
Tell someone go down.
Yes. So far out there.
Alright. B. Wake up, man. Why you sleep so long?
Oh, so we are coming son. You see the day just a light.
Be one piece.
Peace out. Peace out bed.
Yeah, a long time you don't get nothing out from.
If I don't tell you, I get food.
Yeah, honey.
Yeah, go on like you're not a choppy girl. Yeah, go on like saying I'm Britney now the things that about roll and you get front.
No, you know with Britney with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shop lock until you get what me tell you if you get. Until you get me all of the money, shop lock. It's like you not hear me talk to you. Shop lock until then.
You know if you deal with me so. Full time, look how long you know enter that shop there.
This is shop and close, you know, open up back for now until I get the money, my dear. You got to
God.
hold on. More look like you not get front. It's gonna ruin my mood, but I just get up in that money and upset me.
Some not me.
Me what?
Be like some not get no account here. At least me get
No. Once you crave about everything out of Britney pocket, bring come give me, you will get front. Go on to Britney, go get front from Britney. You know, you're not gonna get front from
Why
Britney.
you personal?
Oh, I'm sorry. Personal shop broke down now. No front until you get this.
So come fix up back now.
No, you can't. With the money there. I'm only fix up back in the shop there.
No.
Collect you all of the money.
Hammer.
No, me no want give you me go get the front now, right? You're gonna lose focus and mash up the plan. No, that can't want. You're gonna upset me now in the morning and me going on the road. Oh,
We are go on the road go now.
you're gonna take a walk and look for my big mansion what is soon will be mine.
So you're not gonna be it.
No, me don't need to be it. Me I don't know. Me I did ride last night. Me I never ride last night. Me don't need to be it. Me they go on the road. They call that I you cold?
How they be?
Go like Britney, my dear.
Right. Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, come in nice big horse, man. You come in horse those big and broad and structure right. More you want to come build big house, see? Oh, she want to come build big house. But nice.
Oh, so my daughter house here pre-pan.
Me prepare your daughter.
Eh? But you want big house.
My big
Eh?
house.
Where bad man picnic for your house for?
You mean I'm not bad my pity for your house?
Where you turn up and admire like say it's yours, but she want build big house.
No, me I say she get a big house. I'm a friend, you know.
No, me turn up
I'm
there and I
friend.
listen to you for
You
a
not
long
know where
time.
hear nothing.
You see your bad mind?
Who bad man
For
like you?
long time you bad man Britney for your
Who?
things, you know.
Where?
Eh? After
Where?
a little school book and our pretty pencil them used to bad mind her. We know see you used to thief them. Eh? You know even have
Why
no
your
sense.
problem?
Move from my daughter yard. Move from in front of my daughter yard.
Tired, why
Shoe the pants. Shoe the pants. And move from my
Oh, it's
daughter
a
yard.
rock
Eh?
Oh,
Yes.
go on.
Yes, we'll bite. Now come down. And this one. But you have build big house. Eh? Like you have build big house.
Hello, me there you admire your wonderful big house. Look at your house and me I say yes, you are flourishing in life. Your mother come and run me.
Lie. You is one little liar.
Mommy, I had a lion. Who if you cost me friend? Mommy, when me I go buy material and she did it with me.
She put nothing towards it.
And my house
Them call them friendly me. If you name no find out.
Mommy, you know say me sister you're not good someone you know. You're bad mind. You're
Right.
bad mind. Oh, me I talk shut your mouth. You're bad mind me. Me can't believe some old mother with a bad mind me like this.
I may protect your things.
Protect my
and
things.
me bad mind.
My that's what you call look for the house and a bad mind make much about my friend a bad mind. Which part?
So water thicker than blood then.
I know water thicker than blood. Sometimes blood are sugary. You can't tell me that.
I mean you call Shaggy then.
I mean, enough time I
Okay.
behave like,
Alright.
like
So when she stab you in your back and your front and your side, nobody they come ball. Eh?
my friend not stabbing on my back.
Okay.
No, because
Hey, what your she a jeer? Eh?
She not a Jerry, mommy. Are you a Jerry girl?
You need
Stop
eyes
that.
at the back of your head, my girl. You need eyes at the back of your head.
Mommy, too bad, man,
You
now,
know,
come,
use the
man.
one them in front of you.
You're too bad, man. Now, Kurt. Me can't take that foolishness. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Me never did know. I feel so embarrassed.
Oh,
Say me a call up in progress with what you go on with.
Imagine me and my friend feel that way, mommy. Fuck me, when
Okay.
your friend they feel that way when I carry look eat that friend them come over here.
Okay, know your place. And them are
Maybe
big
I know
people
my place.
to you.
Big
You
people to
and
me.
them are no size. Mark says you and me and a no size.
Hush.
Eh? Hush. Oh God. You see when you get the stab?
They never come
You
from
see when
far.
Brutus stab you?
Who named Bruto?
Okay, you should have
Oh,
learned
yes,
that
sir.
in a school.
In a school?
You should have learned that in a
They're
school
not-
as
they're not
much
teaching their
subjects as you
foolishness there.
have. Okay.
A modern days now.
Okay, modern day
Right.
foolishness you pick up.
Mommy,
Eh?
make
Modern
it go
day
on home,
foolishness you pick up.
Mommy, go on home, go cook or do something or clean up the yard or go spread the bed or flush the toilet.
Oh,
or
so
something.
you give me instructions now.
Well,
You
make
is
sense,
the
I'll go for you, I'll
daughter.
go
You
find
is the
something
mother and me is the
constructive.
daughter.
Yeah, the mother, yes, but makes sense. I go up and you go find something constructive. You know, only thing I do work on my people business. I'll come in my life. That's why I can't your husband, you know. So I can come out of your house.
Oh God. Sometimes
Anytime.
you know, God forgive me. Sometimes we wish me did a lock my foot and me to get a next daughter. Eh? 'Cause at least me wouldn't lose off like how me I lose off for you.
You see when this a house I done build, I'm put on my gateway and my fence. I want to see a tap foot come in.
No, darling.
Me want to see a
Me
tap foot
not
come in
take
the house.
foot in across his land.
Your mother hungry again?
Me not step foot in
Oh
across
my
his
God.
land.
You see,
Because
if you never remember that, my back said up.
how me want
Say, come,
me want
come,
see the
back
day
then,
name day you try.
it makes
Forget
sense
to me
of
and your
one.
mother
It
and
makes
try.
It makes sense, you're going.
Eh? We should have
You
a
know,
next.
makes sense.
Eh, nobody call me mother. Nobody call me mother.
my mother.
Eh, no.
Some telephone
But you
is
and your
around.
Jezebel stick together, and even if answer for come in my grave, me I go hear your downfall. Watch and see. Mark my
Your
word.
man wish bad for you.
Mark my word.
Your man, and after that, he left you.
I mean, I tell you, your mother, but the flat still go. You know where you get the bumper from.
Girl, my father side of people, them.
So, girl, so when you finish it, please.
Girl, the man need to come in for work next week because one of them, when they put up here, something wrong there, so climb up on ladder, must go drop,
Oh, my.
and he go he ship must slip out or something like that. There, so in the pan medication or something. You know.
Hopefully, you get better by then, so the place
No
can
man, I
done
want you
quick.
somebody will come in, come deal with it.
The place get done quick, man.
Yeah.
Like your progress, my girl.
So I go on with you now. Where I go?
Oh, me hungry, you know. Me for tired this morning and eat, so I go put me hard.
Alright, then go on up. Look a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's somebody like you really don't see.
How happen now? You want to see me?
Come here.
What?
You see the bad mind is you have against a friend. You have to cut out it. Me tell you now. Me the 10 step pound. Me pass you this morning, yeah man. You know see me? Cause me I go to work.
What are you?
Me here say you turn up at the girl house and my bill all time. I told the girl in no sense, you know say girl I lick me too. All dirty dog that you know.
So you stop a fast with me, you know, fa? Why you stop a fast with me, you know?
You have to stop what you do.
What me I do?
Stop scamming girl man.
What me I scam her with?
You try to take with the girl place with
Where?
bad mindness.
Oh!
Friends like Uno is the wickedest thing on earth right now.
Man like Uno have wickedest thing on earth. Cause don't know nothing and as you hear one look news, Uno run with it.
You know how hard the girl doing subject them and her father dead left the little what left and my use building house. You better him put on the dead left give him mama. Him mama would know how to do it. You have your mouth, I have your front. Use it well.
Like how you use yours.
Who?
You.
If me not use him with a drive a Beamer or a BMW.
Chat too much.
My mouth reserved for the richest. And the richest and panther for the richest. Me now go that way there. Me have here 3 big cars and 2 big house.
Alright. So say if me that robber, what does that have to do with you? How that concern you? Where you come into play? Where you fit all in this?
Show me na my friend.
So what does that have to do with me?
And when me see my friend pick me, I go the wrong way. With the
Show me the next backside one too. Stop this man and fast with me. I go, hey, I just want to catch her one late night and lick it down.
I wonder if you know something call her.
Wait, me make her laugh.
Until I say turn up in data also analyze it. You was I hope what you did do. Hand for the rest of your life. You me want.
If you go and where you going, because I don't hurt up my stomach. My stomach sick from me. See, it just come and upset me.
A thief alone stomach hurt them when people are talking truth.
You're not talking no truth. You're not here to chat be a frigger. You're not talking no truth.
You're too thief, man.
Who thief like a you? Who thief like a you? Who tell me see you go over your fence, go thief the people them goat? Who thief like a you?
Me didn't thief the goat.
How where that do?
Me didn't lose the goat because the goat tangle up. Did you see me move the goat?
You move the goat and me see on top of the goat too.
What a girl life.
Be right.
How you lie so, girl? How you lie so? You wait. I must buck you again. Dirty girl. Wait till I buck her
I be
again.
glad me see you.
Oh,
Be glad me see you.
me that no man. You don't know say we call this man, right? And tell about the dirty girl.
Yes.
Kind of analyze the data.
Yes, and you was right.
And not only that, me just put this kissing tail girl a while ago. You
The
know.
same one?
Yes. Me tell him, say, listen, although me tell him name, if you tell him, tell her say somebody call her. Call
Me
him.
didn't do that.
Right, but me tell him say me call you.
Okay.
Because me want to show him say me not afraid of her.
Alright, how you afraid of
You
jump
need to talk to your daughter. Because you know say your daughter, as me tell her, your daughter choke me. Me did tell her that already. Me show me must tell her that. But me tell her say, I pray for you and I pray for you. Things now go right for you.
Master.
Things now go right for you. You need to sit down and talk to your daughter. Your daughter come like say, the man something sweet in her belly. Make she can't pay attention. She focus on a little dirty crop boy.
Me no know
Look on a
how-
man like a me. We just neat.
Me don't know, she just seemed to attract foolishness. A bare foolishness. She has a head full of sense, you know. She has full of sense, you know.
If you
'Cause-
say a girl with 12 subjects and take up a baffle.
That's you know.
You see, if I did my daughter had 12 subjects, I'm seeing with a boy like that, I know my daughter again. She's not my daughter. Me wipe her out and me wipe her out of every
It's
damn
easy for
thing.
man to say so, because they never carry the
No,
child
cause look
for
at
how
it now.
long as my
Let me show you
daughter.
now. Make sure why would I wipe out everything out of our name. Your husband dead. And your idiot husband dead left the money in our name.
Well, that's between him. Him do what him think is right.
How much you give out tight?
That's between me, him, and the Lord.
You and him and the Lord. So, me ask you, how much you get out of the money? And you tell me say, between you and she and the Lord. Right now the Lord want beat you.
Hey, don't call the Lord name in vain.
Right now the Lord
Don't
want
call the Lord
whip you.
name in vain. You learn everything where your parents teach you. Me I go lower now, because she have to go learn from her own
Hello.
mistake.
My father born rich, you know, in a richness, you know, gold spoon in her mouth, you know.
So you
I
can
one brother, he one blood brother, kick him out of it. He one blood brother, murder him one father, and take everything out of my father's mouth.
So therefore, in all fairness, we can't listen to you and your family how to raise my family.
Not even the silver, you know, give him in her mouth a plastic spoon.
Oh God.
To show you. To show you how family and friends can be.
Yeah,
Them
man.
bad mind and jealous.
Especially frenemy, like that old junk girl.
Exactly. That me I try to show you. That's why I tell you, say, you have to grow your pick them the right way. If you know, say, then if you have too much friend and they must know them friend. If you want to know who are your real friend today, yeah,
Be in trouble.
can them go to a restaurant, order something, and come up if at 10,000 feet, come up with 6,000 and say, boy, we not no more money, you know.
Trouble
Yeah.
make you know who
No,
is
no
for you
money.
and who not for you.
Ah, yeah, where your friend them also. Some of them all look for you. See, bad mind one them and the wicked one them want to see you good.
Ah, that
You want to see them
laugh.
say, boy, my friend don't have no money, you know. They ain't carry no money with me. Everything know but I carry money with me. In damn well I know. They can bring money to help make up and pay bills.
You have to test people
That's
more
what-
time.
Right. So you know what you do now? You talk to that one more time.
No, sir. Me no know what drugs are demon they been she. Me talk to her, me teach her. Or when you call me, and me go there and cuss off the junk, you know. My daughter break the corner and cuss me off. So me I go allow that for make her own a mistake.
All right. I feel your choice. Anything happen, the Lord and you shall know.
Yeah, me have to leave her in God's hands.
Remember, you know, when we ask you how much you get, you know, you say you and her and the Lord. No. So anything happen between you and her, you and the Lord, no.
Oh yeah, sounds so funny fishy with that there. Like say me hurt you.
Her too.
Well, it like
The
say me
business
hurt you.
money.
But when you ask and you go on so touchy, come in and give you a price and a drop word.
Me know you don't get $1 million, because if you get $1 million, you well out just so you don't well both in the lane, yeah.
Oh, tell me about my business, man. Tell me
You know
about my
the dogs
business.
see how Christmas are coming, and you know not to one paper light in your yard.
That's why common sense beat education more time. You're supposed to have education, I know common sense later.
So I just hate me get what wrong with it.
Later.
You see you?
You know, from morning, me there so early this man now wait upon you.
Do you remember me tell us my mother sick, you know, my mother sick with her heart, you know, so you have to be around her, you know.
But not would have come and tell me say now come home last night. You left and say you soon come back and get your mother not feel good. Right? I understand. You should have at least call me and say, baby, no, say me not come home tonight. I'm stressed out all night. Won't let me walk and look to feel like something happened to
Come
you.
home, me stress, me didn't remember to call her. God, no disrespect, but me stress right now. So I go on, you know, finish your house, me finish your house.
Yeah, me go finish your house. Me have the money, everything to do, but the thing is that me are wait for when you again. The workman them to active up themselves because they have some other work I deal with now.
Oh.
You understand? And I can't did link them later when me had them want to build my house when I want nobody else do it. Because I'm a father friend there. You understand? You know, so my father dead. And yeah, me have to just do what me have to do.
So B, next question. You don't plan to sign over a paper then?
Which paper? What? The money on my father dead left me.
Because remember, say we soon married, you know.
Sign over everything there.
Yeah, remember we soon get married.
But when I get married yet, I can't do that.
You have to do it for now.
We have to marry first.
Yo, you know say last time I got left the door.
What do you mean?
Yo,
No, you can't. Alright, me I'm gonna do it.
you gotta do it.
Just please don't let.
We can't do it before we get married, and then when we married, we don't have to think about to do that after.
Alright then,
You
for
don't
true.
do
I want to do
already.
it for true. I want me to do it tonight.
Do it now if you can.
You know the people them for me then I'm safe.
Go for them now, me with time. We against time. Go for them.
Alright, me I'm gonna do it. Me I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, hurry up to man. Don't make me
When me
speak.
reach up, me I'm gonna do it, man.
Alright.
You come up with me now or you back down your mother?
Me I go back then, my man.
Just come with me now, please.
I choke me out, man. I choke me out. You hear more here where I say, man. You come up with it. Come on.
Hey, pick up man, sit down up. Me not like your lazy behavior, man.
I'm going, alright.
Me not alright. Come on, me doesn't make the woman sign paper. Now make she sign paper. You need to go to copy people, man, make she sign them. And then she sign the paper them, you will get fraud. We need to the business now work good. While I go, you know, me see workman down there, but here's a workman down there. They work for the house.
Yeah.
So you need to make she sign the paper now.
You know what, LB? Me have me go up her yard yesterday if you sign the paper, but she chicken you. She a ball.
No matter if she a ball, tough pan her, man, you cannot sauce off like you know long, you know this. He come like say enjoy being with her.
It a go happen.
And you take so long? Much months now? You hold up
patient.
1 month, man. You take too long to be.
Be patient.
You need to hurry up and make you sign the documents and make me carry move to my big mansion. Then imagine me say, I can cut my foot up on the dresser there and say, make you get money so you can buy a dresser. Better,
I don't like say she not gonna do it now. She eventually I gonna do it. Just
she ain't gonna do it, you know, but she take long. She's taking very long to sign the papers. But she made plans. I feel like you know.
She a tell me about marriage, but I tell her say yo, we can sign it before marriage, and he say alright.
As soon as she sign the paper, they will dump her. You talk about marriage. Wait, what you plan to do? Left me?
You're mad.
Oh, I could never plan your plan, never plan your plan, let me with any life,
No, sir.
Remember, say me and you like this.
No, me not do that.
Right or die, me and this, you know. Someone when you talk about marriage. If you were thinking about you gonna marry that be and I back, you know, me and Lima for you.
No, me I'll get the paper signed one before.
Get the paper
That's
signed.
the
So when you go on the road today, it no matter what, make she sign the paper. I want to call it.
She a call you.
Who me phone for speak and me she a call you, she a call.
Hello? Me there in our office. Me there in our office.
Please.
Yeah.
No quiet.
Then there must be, we expect, you feel like one bag of people are always in the office. Alright, give me about 3 minutes for you to foot beam. No, me a come. No, make sure you're not, where they? Alright, me a come now, me a left office now, I come now. Yeah.
Alright.
Hello.
So who of them don't make you sign him?
Hello. Yes,
Hurry up! Hurry up, I'm gonna sign the paper so me get the money. But she want big house.
Alright then, may I reply you?
Baby,
Listen, mommy.
who you with, pan?
I'm why you keep on open on business where you eardrop and listen. And boyfriend me did that talk to.
That day.
What do you mean by that day? Me gonna sign some papers for him. He asked me for something for him, so I'm
What kind of papers, Brittany?
Mommy, you live in business, and my business not
Brittany, you have remember say you have to move smart, you know.
Mommy, when it comes down to me and my man, I want you to come out of business. It is not your business. So please,
Brittany,
don't make when I concern you, worry you.
Brittany, you have asset and money there. You is not just ordinary boyfriend, girlfriend, you know. You even testing for see if it's you him want or is your money you want.
My man want me, not accept my man want me. And me, my man want
So what kind of papers so you gonna sign?
Because the man don't want you, that means the man don't want me.
No worry and fresh yourself with me. Nobody fresh yourself with me. Brittany, you know what kind of paper you gonna sign? Signing documents is serious business, you
Mommy,
know?
not because I'm not telling my business, that simple means if all up in my business, I want to know how. You're not going to know how.
Brittany.
You keep on Brittany this, Brittany that.
You're not just walking around poor like the other girls them. Remember say you have your father riches, dead left, leave you.
And?
People know that. You think say everybody have good heart, just see people face, you know, see them heart. Eh?
Then I see your face, I'm not see your heart.
Oh, cause my bad heart raised you to where you don't know.
No, say heart black in my see like
yes, they're proud of my black heart. My heart couldn't black. I want my heart for blacker. You're damn idiot if you think say black is black ugly.
You just always bad man and corrupt. Why are you like this?
Okay.
You can't happy for me. You can't happy for me.
Okay. How do you speak never feel? Remember that. Just know what you sign. Just know what you sign. You see, when you sign where your fortune, nobody run compile to me. Oh.
So money, man. You're too bad man and corrupt. Wish me there one next mother. Who you, man? Someone come and come and big old dirty car.
Yeah.
Babe, come in.
Go on.
Me there.
Sorry, paper, you know.
Right now, me there. Where are you supposed to come in here?
Oh, sorry. For me feel so excited.
Apparently I'm excited and right now me vexed because my mother just come in here come and chat about how this and all that and me feel that way and I come and chat about paper because she hear me over here on the phone and chat about paper. She got chat about you must know your sign this and your that and one bag of sense. So I say no right now my meds just mess up. Maybe next time we sign the paper. You
So
understand?
a prank you, I must prank you, prank me.
What do you mean by prank me? I prank you. Me not prank you. Me meds mash up completely. Me I go sign foolishness on the paper. You want that? You
So
want put foolishness on the
you should have called me before me come over here, rich, and tell me.
I just a while ago it happened.
Yo, you know
So
what?
we are going to... Yeah, go on like say money you love and me you love. Why you go on so?
Me love you too, I know.
Yeah, if you put... Which one you love more? Tell me. Which one you love more?
The most money.
So you love money more?
No, I don't love money more than you.
Oh, you
Ask
just
me which one
said...
me love more, me tell you say money.
Which one you love more? Me or money?
The most money.
That means you love money more than...
No,
Then you
you
married money
say which
then.
one more than which one. That's what you say. I say me love you more than that.
You confuse me. My mother just come in here, come mash up my meds and you mash up my meds again. Just calm down, no man. Me send you later or tomorrow.
Yo, me a go me hard, brother.
Remember you go here just for... Send me something, you know me I
I
talk
talk me
about.
a make man be you feel love money more than you. You must see who me feel love.
At least I make me smile.
Anytime you're ready to sign the paper, man, just let me know. When I sign,
Later.
alright, just
Let
text
me
her.
hold on everything.
Alright, yeah, love you.
Alright then, love you too. Bye.
Yeah, bye, later. Yeah.
No, some man love me, no. My Shayla. Oh God, look at my walk.
Come here. Oh, God.
Pissed off right you know.
What happened to you?
My Renka's daughter. Eh? Me I try look out for her and she come give me attitude and I run me out her room. I true me never want to shut it up box, you know. So me say make me come out and walk.
Attitude and what?
You know, so she there with the dry foot scammer boy, me not like
The
him.
dirty foot boy, yes.
Me not
yes,
like him. Right?
What happened now?
Me come in the room, I pass the room and me hear her I call him for come sign paper. And she ready for sign paper.
Whoa,
so me just go into her and I say, me just talk to her, you know.
It has started.
I mean I said to her, say,
It has started.
what start?
Huh?
What start?
You soon know.
Stop talk parable man, what you know?
If you know what me know, you lick your daughter in the head, make she get back sense.
Oh, wow.
If that boy have a woman, and the woman is your daughter best friend, they might try if you conquer her and take away everything where your father, your own father, dead left you.
Hold on, Brittany best friend a plan with him?
Yes, I mean go to her and I'm talk to her. I'm tell her say she chop me and lick me, you know.
And that's why she lick you? So hold on, before me go any further, cause me want know see me I do the right before me start bust head. Where you get that there from?
Listen me, what my name? What's my
Nah, I
name?
tell you the name out of street, say Popeye.
Alright. The walking, carry news and bring up and always hear people business. That's all.
Yes, but more time, Papa, when you carry people business, carry go, bring come no go so. Sometimes it not even nearly go so with you.
Listen me. I hear me here with me yai them. See that? I hear me
See
here
they
with
now.
them. Hear
I
me
know.
here with them. Not even see me now. See, I hear me
You
here with me yai.
yai.
Yes.
Okay.
Me here with me yai.
Mm-hmm.
Listen me. Then they together. The dirty foot boy and the black tall slim girl. There's a maga one. Look like in jawbone suck out.
Kill her that then.
If you ever, you know, Barracuda look.
I definitely kill her that then.
Right. She a plan with the boy.
May I go check it up. May I go talk to Brittany. Because
No man, you can't talk to her. If you talk to her, it don't make no sense. Me tell her to lick her in her head. Put her in a coma. Once you put her in a coma for 6 months, then the paper will then want to sign with a vibe.
Sometimes you talk sense and sometimes you talk nonsense. Here,
Alright, let me tell you.
Me-
Let me tell you what's going on then. If you want to know the real truth about what's going on. You see, your friend, your daughter friend, biologic, what you call her word there?
me no know. Anorexic or
No,
something. Biological.
biological. Them a sister.
Who a sister?
And that if you know now. Me know everything what going on, you know. Them a sister. The maga one me tell about the so-called bone one. She find out say fear her father and fear her daughter too. And fear her father too. Yes!
What you tell me, say?
Yes. The two of them are the same father. But the father no know about she. Or maybe he know about she. But I Britney name everything in her. So she know I try to make Britney sign the paper to say yeah, he might pass you on to the next sibling because the paper said if you don't want it, you can pass it on to the next sibling, anything you own. So if you own the house or own the money, it go down to the next sibling.
Well, and my tell life on the
Ja. You come like me just want to hack and two in me and I just shut you.
I want to see you try.
Have some sense, man.
Me know you. Me a question you come in know you. Me can't follow back how you say straight.
Put the sense in your mouth and speak to me. Put the sense in your mouth and speak to me. Cause right now, it look like he sends them down here so. You walk
but you know no proof. I just motor talk. I mean know you. Because when you know people business, you carry them business away you know. So before me go running or anything, me have to find out if it's true or not.
Me and your husband our son, not true. Your daughter father, not so. So. And me and the lawyer are so too. Right? Me and the lawyer are bridging. Right? You see? Me go to the lawyer, I say to the lawyer, say, tell me the truth, because you not tell the lady the truth. The man have next picnic out there, and he say, yes. There are 2 more picnic. Alright, and then say, matter of fact, one of them is a girl, but he don't know the other one is what. But he knows so the man tell him, say, yeah, a 3 picnic all he have. But, me know I have heart failure. We can't tell the other one yet. So you have to, you see, when you have strong heart, we tell you our secret. Why everything gone to your daughter name?
Papa, you
when you're ready, you see when you're ready you are strong.
And when you have proof?
No. Me have
have proof of me one. That's what me know don't you know. Because how my husband like can talk to you. And a client privilege something that.
Because I have money. Money making no things.
Oh, so me can go to the lawyer and sue the lawyer then. Then I chat my business and my man business to stranger. And I disclose client privilege something.
No, do that. Don't do that, man. When you do that, you mash up progress. As me say, just knock out your daughter and make him go in a coma. As simple as that. When the 6 months run out, you will happy.
Me just stop my daughter from signing paper as much as I can.
I mean, have the proof to show you why everything in your daughter.
Well, come let me see the proof then now.
I can't show you the video yet. If I show you the video yet, you will drop down. Me say, you have to wait until the end of the day. When your heart's strong, you can link me back.
But you try 40-year-old man, I'm not in the mood for it. Sure.
That's why you see, Uno mother, anytime nothing bad happen to Uno, Uno cause it because you not listen. Come to the front of the line, you hear? Oh God.
Brittany.
Mommy, they're everywhere.
Yes, me there everywhere.
You can't stay in your yard and wear a shirt and give me make a finger.
I the right finger to give. Me don't want to argue, Brittany. I just want to ask you a question without arguing. You have no secrets from me?
What?
You have no secrets from me?
Who have that one?
Pertaining to the money your father leave for you.
What you know about that?
Oh, so papa. Well, it
We
already
just
come
say.
out. It already come out.
Call name.
Papa, tell me. What I want.
Tell you say.
Papa, tell me a secret, little girl.
Mommy, me not have no secret. What can I?
And him have your name a road, a chat you. So all me I tell you say, watch your friend, the maga one. Cause him a go and say, him know things that we no know.
We ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
What Papa did?
I'm up the road, me just leave him. Me
Up
just
the
walk
road
up
where?
from me just buy
No,
bamboo
where?
tree,
Bamboo tree?
Me just
Alright.
leave him. Cause him a chat some family.
No man, not say that. I'm going to angle film situation for you. understand?
Oh, watch
and by
your
the
friend
way, I
and
lie.
watch your boyfriend.
Listen, mommy, I lie. Papa, you tell for me.
You
I mean, I'll go
doubt
back and
it.
angle him
You
right
no
now.
doubt it. Alright, go do your thing. You know best.
Oh, yo, me tell you this now. More you come out of my business. You see, whichever you know about me and my father, which signing paper, keep it to yourself. Because you go to my mother and I tell my mother, say, you have secret for me. And you have your work on a spread.
So, how come tell him that thing? And tell him if no, him and he come tell you.
What you expect?
Yes.
Me not she pick me.
You
Sir,
pick her.
mind your business. Take your nose out of my business.
Your man-
Don't make my business concern you. And your business. Are you the money left for army?
Don't worry your head.
Eh?
You might feel like say, what you do, you gonna get ready.
What me I do?
You might get rid of one thing, you know.
What me I do?
But you have another guest coming.
Don't worry yourself about
You
that.
have another guest coming, and anytime and day you deal with that. I save you, know. I try to save you
Save
from that
me?
dirty football, you know.
Oh,
And you chuck me over dirty football.
oh
over the
yes,
side.
when it comes out to me and my mom, I don't want my mother.
A man that,
You
a man that,
are my father and I'm
look for me
grave.
good. Look for me good.
Give me look for you good.
A man that, me a well high class
Yeah, man too. A man that. What you gonna do?
Me show you something. And you have to spend money.
Sir,
And you have,
a chum change I carry. No one that could
no worry about
be a
that.
chum
This
change.
is just for the kids that we give you buy juice in the lane.
And you feel like you look on my picnic, give my picnic that?
Look on that.
What is
Card.
that?
Look on this. Card.
You carry them empty, they might as
Card.
well expire.
Card for days.
Expire.
Wait there. Card again for days. I mean more card. I want to you. Watch it now. Me show you something. Me and a chopper. You hear? Me and a chopper. Card for days. See there.
See your $5 job because you're going to need
Two
it.
of me rich. 3 credit card. 2 of me rich. Card for days. What you talk about?
Check out your silver them.
Go buy sweetie. Cause that's all you good for.
Remember that's all me good for.
Yes, that's sweet.
It's not a warm, because I warn you, you stay out of my business.
And what you are going to do?
Me don't need your chum change because by the end of the day, me have my father money.
And touch me again.
Yes,
Touch me again.
me do it again. No.
You wait. I must wait. I now see you again. I'm going to make you sign that paper. You lose every damn thing. Me, I make sure I push you to that. Watch. Everybody, wait. Touch me. God almighty, man. Girl, touch me. I told me not lick girl, you know. Sure.
Oh God. Yeah.
Come on.
Me there. Oh, my paper they call they don't say rich and my paper.
Bad news, me. You know, so me not
Which bad
get money.
news? How you make
Paper
20?
sign.
For me, it's so worthless. Every time I go to the yard and say I go get paper sign, you come back and paper no sign. You're not doing a good job. Me sick and tired of it, man. Every time you say you go sign the paper, you no sign the paper.
You look so girl say mother get upset pan her.
What does that have to do with you if a ugly woman want to get upset by her? Me I run out of time
Me
if we
say
get
no
this
call
done.
me back later and sign the paper.
Make sure say tomorrow she sign the paper there.
She said
Me
later.
later. I could have even later make sure she sign the paper. Me I come up on the road. Make sure she sign the paper. Cause me can't give you the foot of the yard. You make me think say you come back with millions. We are gonna reach and come out and this and go in a bigger house.
Later me go.
You not work with me, man. You're too lazy. Oh boy.
Yo.
Who you are you? Me
Come on,
size.
I must see. Pedo.
Who you call pedo?
You see? Let me tell you something.
Piper fish. Who you call pedo?
That's what I want to this Barracuda.
Who you know say you love call people name. Me say me I walk about my business and you choose to stop me in a good mood.
Anything where you have plan, What me tell you say? Me did 10 step for you. Now me 20 step for you.
What you do?
You see all that the paper the way you want to sign, and you have 6 months on the paper. Anytime the paper run out, everything done.
So, what you know about my paper?
Go ahead.
How bad you are?
What's
You just put up your hands. What you try to say?
Me have everything locked, man. Me know everything.
You don't have nothing locked.
Me know.
You just suggest something.
Me
And then
know-
always have a thing say, who keep it his mouth shall keep it his life.
Can't
You
check
don't
my
like
channel.
say, I threaten me, I threaten you. Me not afraid of you.
You're too greedy, man.
Oh, too greedy. We know about me and my business and my background. Me tell you, you know people business too much. I feel like you know people business, you don't know people business. Come out of my business now. They can't see me and see me. When me I walk, you can't just not see me. It look like me have to get blacker. So when me I walk in a 60 and me see you stop me for the fast with me.
I see why the old man, when he's dead, he never left you nothing. Because you're ungrateful.
Me say why your mother make you look so.
I saw your mama did tan, your mama did thief.
I don't talk about my mother.
Now it's in your blood.
Don't talk about my mother. Man, my mother come out of your mouth.
You want
I mean, choke off
me
your face
walk
out,
around
yeah.
the whole neighborhood and make you know say you get a sister you try to make him sign the paper.
Yeah.
You're a wicked.
Take time and
When
talk.
you never make her.
Stop tell lie. Oi, me take something like that China. Don't give me head not so good, me head mad.
Woman,
Mind what you do out
Me
here.
don't know how she knows she say it to her no favor. Eh?
Me nobody not related. Where you talk? Piper fish man, where you talk about?
You call me piper fish at that?
You need to leave my business alone. Leave my business alone. Feel love of God. Just leave my business alone now. What you talk about? Me don't know what you talk about, man.
Stop. Go around and cause problems just to get what your father never left give you. I know.
Hello.
I know say your father.
Hello.
I know.
Hello.
Because me and the liar is good friend.
Hello.
I know. Your
Hello.
father Chiano, he
Hello.
don't know one.
Hello. Hello. Stop going around and run your mouth like an ant. Leave my business alone. Yeah, go like you know want somebody dirty money too. That's say they fall around Charmian. Eh?
And you want another one too, you know. I have evidence about you, you know. Not only you trying to rob your sister out of wallet, you know. I told you do the same thing. And you don't get none.
Let me tell you this.
They burn you.
Anyhow, me hear my business roll again, me go shut in your mouth. Watch.
Oh wow.
Me lick off your face.
Oh,
Me
wow.
afraid of you. So me
Oh,
tell you,
wow.
oh wow. Oh wow what?
Merry Christmas. Cause you look like something you beg. Ho ho ho.
What is that ugly man here?
Thank you. Me well blessed. You want all the love chuck me say me want back on you. You wait. I'm going you know me move. Me solve.
Yeah.
Hi, what going?
Look at here. So the paper here, you need to sign a paper here because
I paper this here?
yeah, paper that. Oh shit,
You want to know say me on a pen for me though?
Oh God, man.
Me have to say a
Me say you walk
question.
up and I walk with pen.
You know say I work please. Oh if you carry paper can't give me no carry no pen.
I
That
never
makes sense.
remember.
Over the side of my finger there, me not even
Me think you have a pen, you know say I go sign paper.
Hello.
So all
Come
the
at the
chair
right
again.
time.
Jesus.
Come on, what your problem?
What is?
How you sweet, so what your problem?
What wrong with
Me
you?
no problem.
It seems like I have a problem because I have an important meeting right I say you can't stop right
Sign
in the
the
middle of
paper.
it. What your problem?
Sign paper. What paper you
Yes,
sign,
I'm gonna
baby
start. I
girl?
mean, and if you know my business are my business. Don't make my business be your business. I already,
You are
me
my
always
business.
tell you that.
You know that, but you is my business. You'll always be my business. You're my baby
How come you
girl.
come to
Well,
talk my
in
business
a
now?
this a business you know. You understand? A different something
God.
go on. So me not pain. What you want me to do? Eh? Me not no
So
pain.
yes,
So come
sign. Let me see
Let
now.
it go now.
Let me see now.
So where you dey pull it out of me? Are you a
Let me
business?
see.
So where you dey pull it out of me hand?
For your benefit. Let
The
me
woman
see.
then where you
Oh,
see
she have a
like
benefit.
this?
What have a benefit her?
Oh, bro.
Would I like you know how it go be? Listen
Like
when me
say me
talk to
never
my
have
mother.
your concern in my life.
When me talk to my mother, make me alone talk to her a certain way. Don't put your mouth in her
Lord
head.
of God, no.
Remember you are where you are top.
Jesus.
I want go on. Why everybody has stop you so? No pass is supposed to pass. What problem now? I want you look this time again. You look what?
Who keep it his mouth shall keep it his life. What go on the rest of it, please.
Tell him again.
Yes, take your time back on the road.
You know.
Yes.
Miss Charmaine.
Yeah, Miss Charmaine, go and have a conversation.
How long
at
do I
the
know
place, not
you?
right
Oh
here,
God.
so.
More than 2 decades.
Jackass, come here. Give
Who
your
you
mother-
call Jackass?
Give your mother that envelope, let she read it.
For what reason?
Give it. Because
So
it
what?
seems like you have 12 subjects and I know if you use it. This one I'm sure you
Me have more life experience than you.
Make sure
You
you
know,
do.
see them too excited to make you sign.
Oh, that on the paper, girl. Don't give nobody paper. Nobody
Shut up your mouth,
rule.
little plant, little fly.
One
Shush.
to give her the
I
Stop
give me a good-
buzzing.
Big flash up your
Stop
mouth.
Oh, you
buzzing.
no tell us one no chat
Eh.
to me.
Yes!
Oh, you know.
Read it again!
Put your up and give me a floor in there, girl.
Floor me pick me, me see.
I can't come for bullet.
Floor me pick me, me
Hello,
see.
man, I talk to my friend.
Me no business. Floor me pick me,
Man, oh yeah,
see.
talk to my friend. Man, I have time for my mother. Don't do that.
What your problem?
Girl,
Give me the paper.
Your mother, sir.
Give me the paper. Give me the paper.
No, make me as your mother see it. Thank you. Let go. Look up jizz fly.
Read it, my friend, read it.
Oh, this.
Read it!
So
Liar.
where you go on so you make everybody know my business?
So hold on. You there with fruit. You there with my daughter, liar.
Read it!
Someone that bright.
Fuck.
Yes!
You know when you're gonna sign?
Read it!
Beggar say.
Hey, you really know when you're gonna sign? Hey!
So where you go so
Yeah.
that
The
excitement?
ancestors, me give them the thanks. You see when God good,
God
me
good.
couldn't come at a better time.
You know what, give
hold
me-
on,
give me.
this,
That's how me don't want
read
to know.
it,
Give me this.
read it. House, money, land, everything you dead, but Papa leave you, you sign over. You want me to get the pen too?
Give her the
Yeah,
pen.
idiot,
Give her
girl.
the pen. Make case and give her
You
the
are
pen.
run and sign.
But mommy, I never did see the on the paper.
Oh.
Kayla.
Oh, wow!
Oh, so you feel like said, Daddy, I got dead, left everything to you. I didn't get no.
We
Yes.
talk about
The
that.
glad
I'm
she
a sister.
confess. The glad she
We talk
confess.
to your sister.
The glad she confess.
Say me, if it tell me.
Liquor, come
No,
here
come
now.
here.
You with this
Come
Jimmy
here.
Flyer
Let
go
me
with
tell-
lie about sister.
Mommy,
Where you go with sister?
Yeah, me if you tell me.
You remember the woman where your husband did cheat for you with Miss Pauline and my mother? And everything you get, me not get that with $10.
So
Not
Kayla,
even a friend.
yeah, me if you tell me, see, I be my friend for can't take everything when me
Oh,
have.
I can you the clock. Beat her! Beat her! Beat her! Beat her! Give me video head. TikTok-y. TikTok, you got me. TikTok this. Yes, lick her, my daughter. Lick her. Lick her. Your mommy is a whore. And your father is a whore too. Yes, TikTok. Yes, TikTok.
Mommy, sorry.
All you
Mommy, listen to mommy, me sorry. Sorry.
Brittany.
Me never
You
know say that
really
video
did I go sign over every God Almighty thing you can't leave you? Hey?
go. Somebody want me see me.
You forget Lick.
You remember
Hey,
Lick?
you jump on me. And you look at me too hard neither. Cause you know how no right to lick my picnics. Only me and our father can lick her and our father gone.
You know why our father gone? You hold this dog. Come here.